Hey, you. Yes, you. You do some shopping on Amazon Prime during Prime Day? What up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy MikeOfAllTrades coming to you today with a video about something that was able to be purchased during Prime Day for a really good price, too. I mean, but first and foremost, if you'd like to see, as always, I'm saying, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not, and turn on notifications as we make our way to 2K. It feels really good to say that, 2K. So, by the time you're seeing this, Prime Day is probably over with. But if you were savvy and you were paying attention on Twitter and stuff, this was shared for $71.99. This is the 8bitdo, arcade stick. And originally it's like 90 bucks, but you're able to get it on Prime Day for $71.99. So how about we open this gimmick up and see what's inside? So, in the States here, Prime Day, I don't know if it's a worldwide thing about Prime Day or whatever, but I know it used to come out in like July, and they did it this year in June, which is weird. I don't know. First off, I'm saying, God dang it, box kind of beat up shipping, but whatever. See what's in the box. You guys get the first look. All right, and so we've got a charging cable, USB-C, yeah, and then we have foam, and it looks like it's just the charging cable and the stick, huh? Now I ordered this for the Nintendo Switch. I don't know. I know it works with PC and whatever else. Oh, and these fell off. Okay, cool. But it looks like some paper manual, and looks like something that might go over the buttons. So let's see if that's supposed to stick there or not. But yeah. Oh, this one's been in storage for a while or something, yo. Like, yeah, like it's dust. Like, I don't know, this thing must have been like sitting in a warehouse or something. I don't know. I'm assuming it came like that. Yeah, that's probably how it came. Probably didn't tape it down, but yeah, here it is. So the main reason to get this was to get the 8bitdo adapter. You know what I mean? The adapter can be used for, oh, there it is, right there. There it is. I'm sitting looking like, yo, where is the receiver? And it's like in here, I'm assuming. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So, yeah, that was the main reason to get this, was because I needed one of these so I can sync up my my Pro controller or my PS5 DualSense to my freaking Nintendo Switch, because it's a good controller. But yo, you also get a dongle, and the dongle is like usually like 25 bucks. So let's see if we can throw that back in there. There's a USB Type-C cable to connect with. There's no indicator, which is weird because like there's no button indicators. I wonder if you turn it on, does it indicate? Well, let's just take this off because that's not needed. So there's X input, so for PC, and then there's switch mode. So let's see what happens when we turn to switch mode. Oh, it lights up. Look at that. Turn switch mode and it lights up. So that's pretty cool. If we turn it to X input, it lights up too. So yeah, X input for your emulators and whatever else. The camera's not really picking the light up. But hold on, maybe let's see. Let's see if we kill a light. We'll kill a light and see if that works. There we go. You can see it a little bit. We killed one light. We didn't kill them both. But yeah. So let's see. Let's turn it off. It's got Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz, so you can sync it via Bluetooth, or you can sync it 2.4. 2.4. I'm pretty sure it's for the dongle. Yeah. So the dongle's 2.4. If you want to sync it Bluetooth through your PC, or with like a mobile device or a tablet or something like that, you can definitely do it. It's built really solid. You know what I mean? Those feel like Sanwa buttons to me. No, yeah, those aren't clones. So it's got a square gate. Yeah, so it's got a square gate, Sanwa buttons, and everything else. Yo, it's really good. It's kind of heavy too. And the good thing about it is, it's got rubber feet on the bottom, so it can sit on your lap. You know what I mean? Like, I could actually let it sit on my lap now. That's crazy. It's really crazy. So yeah, that's pretty freaking cool. You know what I mean? So I hope that you got one of these on Prime Day, Hope that you're able to catch one. You know what I mean? Because yeah, like it's really freaking nice. Anyway, yo, let me know in the comments, yo, did you get one on Prime Day? Did you catch one? Did you already have one? Yo, if you have one, you know what I'm saying, what do you think of it? I know there's a lot of modding capabilities and possibilities with this, so I know people might be swapping out sticks, whatever, because this could be like something like I said, PC syncs with Bluetooth, so maybe you can sync with the PS4, PS5, or maybe the Series X or S. You never know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm MikeOfAllTrades. You know what I'm saying? Make sure on your way out that you guys smash the like button. I mean, subscribe to the channel if you're not. You know what I mean? Turn on notifications as we make our way to 2K. It's a really pretty controller. Like I'm sorry, like, yo, I get excited about buttons. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.